Employers also are allowed to give their workers the option to be tested weekly instead of getting the vaccine, though they are not required to do so unless the worker has an exemption for medical or religious reasons. The rule makes an exception for employees who do not come into close contact with other people at their jobs, such as those who work at home or exclusively outdoors. The administration estimated that 22 million people would get vaccinated and that 250,000 hospitalizations would be prevented because of the rule, which applies to more than 84 million workers. Under a 1970 law, OSHA has the authority to pass a so-called emergency temporary standard, imposing new rules for workplace safety, provided it can show that workers are exposed to a grave danger and that the rule is necessary. The Fifth Circuit panel ruled last month that the agency had exceeded that authority, blocking the government from carrying out the mandate. But the case was then reassigned to the Sixth Circuit, which was randomly chosen to consolidate numerous challenges against the rule that had been filed around the country. In dissolving the Fifth Circuit's block on Friday, the majority of the Sixth Circuit panel said that the agency had sufficiently demonstrated that measures against the coronavirus pandemic meet the standard laid out by Congress in the 1970 law that created the agency. OSHA has demonstrated the pervasive danger that COVID-19 poses to workers, unvaccinated workers in particular, in their workplaces, Judge Stranch wrote, adding that the possibility of new variants cited by the agency when it issued the rule has borne out with the Omicron variant. The majority opinion also rejected a constitutional challenge to the rule. Judge Stranch, an Obama appointee, was joined by Judge Julia Smith Gibbons, who was appointed by President George W. Bush. In a brief concurring opinion, Judge Gibbons signaled that as a matter of judicial restraint the court should defer to OSHA's expertise.